Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check the joystick model and whether it uses USB-A or USB-C, and verify Windows 11 support in the manual. Next, plug the controller into a direct laptop USB port. If the port is crowded, use a powered hub to avoid insufficient power. Once connected, Windows will attempt to install generic drivers automatically, so open Device Manager and keep it visible. You'll use this to watch driver status and detect if the device appears under. After initial detection, install the joystick maker's drivers or configuration software. Run the installer as administrator so registry and driver files write correctly. Once installed, open Control Panel, right arrow devices, and printers right arrow right-click joystick, right arrow game controller settings right arrow properties to test axes and buttons. Use the calibration wizard if axes are off-center. If inputs behave strangely, check Device Manager to update. Roll back or reinstall the driver, because driver mismatch is the most common source of. Finalize setup by mapping controls inside your game or the controller's app and save a profile. Make incremental changes and retest so you don't lose a working config. Always try a simple testing tool or light game first to validate buttons and axes before launching complex sims. If the joystick is not recognized, first swap USB ports and cables, then uninstall and reinstall drivers, and finally test the controller on another PC. This isolates whether it's the laptop, cable, or the joystick itself.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.